Students, in the last class, exercise 10.4, 2-3 sums completed. Now write down problem number 4. What is problem number 4 in 10.4? The diameter of a spherical ball. There is a ball, spherical shape. The diameter of a spherical ball is 21 centimeters. How much leather is required to prepare 5 such balls? So leather ball, like cricket ball. Cricket ball is made up of leather. So the diameter of a spherical ball, cricket ball, leather ball. Cricket ball is made up of leather. So the diameter of a spherical ball is 21 centimeters. How much leather is required to prepare 5 such balls? Okay na? So we need to find out leather required per one ball, then multiply that answer with 5, we get leather required for 5 balls. So the problem is about sphere. The problem is about sphere, spherical ball, cricket ball. Cricket ball is made up of leather, with the help of leather. So sphere, the problem is about sphere. Diameter equal to 21 centimeters. Diameter equal to 21 centimeters. Radius equal to diameter by 2. What is radius? Diameter by 2. Diameter 21 by 2. 21 by 2. So 21 by 2, or we can write 10.5 centimeters. So the problem is about sphere, spherical ball made up of leather. The sphere, diameter 21 centimeters, radius equal to diameter by 2, 21 by 2, 10.5 centimeters. Find out surface area. Surface area formula 4 pi r square. What is surface area formula? 4 pi r square. Surface area of a sphere equal to 4 pi r square. Substitute 4 into 22 by 7 into r square. 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. Okay na? So 4 pi r square, surface area formula 4 pi r square. 4 into pi value 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. Cancellation. 2 cancel. 4 cancel 2 times, 2 4 2 times, then 2 cancel, then what we get? 7 21 3 times. Cancellation again. 4 pi r square formula 4 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. 2 cancel, 4 cancel 2 times, 2 cancel, 7 21 3 times. What we get? 22 into 3 into 21. 22 into 3 into 21. Multiplication. 22 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6 into 21. 21 6 jar 126. 21 6 jar 126, 138. 1386 centimeter square. What is that? Leather required for one ball implies leather required for one ball equal to 1386 centimeter square. That much leather required for one ball. Then leather required for 5 balls. 1386 into 5. Do rough work. 1386 into 5. 1386 into 5. 5 6 are 30. 5 8 are 40 plus 3. 43. 5 3 are 15. 19. 5 1 are 5 plus 1 6. 6930. 6930. So 6930 centimeter square for 5 balls. That much leather is required. See again, here there is spherical ball made up of leather. Sphere sided. Diameter 21 centimeters. Radius equal to diameter by 2. 21 by 2. We can write 10.5 or we can write 21 by 2. Surface area 4 pi r square. 4 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. Cancellation important. 2 cancel, 4 cancel 2 times. 2 2 cancel. 7 or 21 3 times. What is left? 22 into 3 into 21. 1386 centimeter square. That is what? Leather required for one ball equal to 1386 centimeter square. We need to find out leather required for 5 balls equal to 1386 into 5. Multiply with 5. 6930 centimeter square. That is problem number 4. Write down problem number 5. Problem number 5 is, write down problem number 5. (10.4) problem number 5. The ratio of radii of two spheres is 2:3. Find the ratio of their surface areas and volumes. So write down problem number 5 in 10.4. What is given? The ratio of radii. You know what is radius, what is radii? Radius is singular, radii is plural. Radius singular, radii plural. So the ratio of radii of two spheres is 2:3. Find the ratio of their surface areas and volume. Okay, now given ratio of radii of two spheres. First one R1 is to R2, second one R2, 2:3. R1 is to R2, 2 is to 3. Given ratio of radii of two spheres, R1 is to R2 equal to 2 is to 3. R1 2x, R2 3x. Let R1 equal to 2x, R2 equal to 3x. Then surface area. Surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere for formula 4 pi r square. Surface area of sphere formula 4 pi r square. Then surface area of first sphere. First sphere 4 pi r1 square. 4 pi r1 square. 4 pi, what is r1? 2x whole square. 4 pi into 4x square. 4 pi into 4x square. Then surface area of second sphere equal to 4 pi r2 square. Second one radius r2. 4 pi 3x whole square. 4 pi into 9x square. So ratio of radii of two spheres, let it be r1 is to r2. R1 radius of the first sphere, R2 radius of the second sphere 2 is to 3. Let R1 2x, R2 3x. Then surface area of sphere formula 4 pi r square. Surface area of first sphere 4 pi r1 square. 4 pi 2x whole square. 4 pi into 4x square. Then surface area of second sphere 4 pi r2 square. 4 pi r2 means 3x whole square. What is 3x whole square? 9x square. Ratio of surface areas equal to first one 4 pi into 4x square is to second one 4 pi into 9x square. 4 pi cancel. X square cancel. What we get? 4 is to 9. So surface area of the first sphere 4 pi r1 square. 4 pi into 2x whole square. 4 pi into 4x square. Surface area of the second sphere 4 pi r2 square. 4 pi into 3x whole square. 4 pi into 9x square. Ratio of surface areas. First one 4 pi into 4x square is to second one 4 pi into 9x square. X square cancel. 4 pi cancel. 4 is to 9. That is about surface areas. About volumes. Volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere. Second one, volume of the sphere. What is volume of the sphere? Volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. What is volume of the sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of first sphere. Volume of the first sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r1 cube. 4 by 3 pi r1 cube. 4 by 3 into pi into what is r1? 2x whole cube. 4 by 3 into pi into r cube means r1 cube, 2x whole cube. 4 by 3 into pi into 8x cube. 4 by 3 into pi into 8x cube. Volume of the second sphere. Volume of the second sphere. 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. 4 by 3 pi r2. 3x whole cube. 4 by 3 pi 27x cube. What is 3x whole cube? 27x cube. Ratio of volumes equal to first one 4 by 3 pi into 8x cube is to second one 4 by 3 pi into 27x cube. 4 by 3 cancel, pi cancel, then x cube cancel. What we get? 8 is to 27. So volume of the sphere formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of first sphere 4 by 3 pi r1 cube. 4 by 3 into pi into 2x whole cube. 4 by 3 into pi into 8x cube. Volume of the second sphere 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. 4 by 3 into pi into 3x whole cube. 4 by 3 into pi into 27x cube. Ratio of volumes 4 by 3 pi into 8x cube is to 4 by 3 pi into 27x cube. 4 by 3 cancel, pi cancel, x cube cancel. 8 is to 27. In the next class we continue the remaining sums. Thank you, students.